What if I told you you didn't have to choose between space and feeling at home? Because sometimes a property comes along that's truly special. Set on 3.3 acres of beautifully treed and fully usable land, this stunning home has been lovingly maintained over the years and is ready for its next chapter. Let's go take a look.